I prepare my protein shake to help me balance my hormone. Guys, don't forget that you need to include 20 to 30 grams of protein in every of your meal. And this protein shake make everything easier for me. So, in here, I have some carrots and I have some mixed berries. So I'm going to put it in my blender. And then I have here half avocado, very healthy, we all know that. So I'm going to put it in here. So avocado is yummy and very healthy. And I have here sunflower seed. So I'm going to put 1 spoon. And I have pumpkin seed, 2 spoons of that, small spoon. And I have here flax seed, 1 teaspoon is enough. And I have here flax seed, so I'm going to put flax seed 1 spoon is enough. Okay, all these seeds I just added in my blender. They are going to help you balance your hormone. You need to include that. If you have more, do it. And now I am going to put a scoop of my protein shake that is plant-based. So this protein shake comprises of 17 different types of fruits and vegetables. Normally they're going to give you a scoop, right? So I'm going to put, because I don't have the scoop now, so I'm using my spoon. So I'll just put 2 spoons and that is enough for 1 scoop. But when you get the protein shake, you're going to see the white small cup scoop there. So this protein shake, they're very good. They have probiotics, they have vitamins, minerals, protein, balance that is going to help you with everything that you need every blessed day to help you move forward, to help you live a healthier lifestyle. And now I'm going to add my plant-based almond milk. You can also use water. You can add about 250 milliliter milk or 300, depend on the shake you put there and the ingredients. Okay, and we are going to try to mix. So I cover it. This is a perfect breakfast. This is a perfect dinner that has protein, fiber, vitamins, minerals, exactly what you need to balance your hormone. When you are experiencing hormonal imbalance, only the power of good nutrition is only what is going to help you, what is going to save your life, what is going to help you live healthy, give you that energy, help you balance those hormones, all those symptoms that you're having. Even when you want to lose weight, this is also a perfect meal replacement. Even when you want to maintain your weight, perfect meal replacement. Even when you just want to live healthy, replaces your breakfast or your dinner just to be the way you are, but you want to add more nutrition into your body. This is also how to prepare the shake. Okay, we added all these seeds because we want to balance our hormone so that it will be effective. So let's mix. We're done mixing, and you can pour it in your glass. Take a look how yummy this is. Wow, absolutely amazing. This is so yummy. Cheers. Grab yours now. So I'm going to link the link to this protein shake that you can use. And then another thing I'm also using, because when you're having hormonal imbalance, apart from you sleeping better, apart from eating healthy, apart from exercising, yes, you have to exercise, apart from reducing stress, apart from removing your hands from plastic, apart from removing your hands from chemicals, all these things could cause hormonal imbalance for you. Apart from all these things you're going to be doing, right, you're also going to take a very good supplement. So this is what I'm using, and I would love to recommend it. Just fruit and vegetables, plant-based, whole food, no chemical, no colorings. I'm going to link the link in this video. Over 42 reviews. I'm also going to link the clinical research. Please go ahead and make your research if these capsules are good for you or not. Okay, make sure you read before you think of purchasing. Okay, so, and again, don't forget you need omega fatty acid, and I would love to recommend this omega that has 5 different types of omega, not just omega-3, but 5 different types of omega in one capsule. Absolutely amazing. Omega-3, omega-5, omega-6, omega-7, omega-9, and there's no fish inside. They're plant-based, organic. Try it. If you also have children that don't love fruits and vegetables, we have also fruits and vegetables in chewables form. That means this will help your children in future to start loving how to eat fruits and vegetables. It helps them with their nutrition. We have also research done on this. I'm going to put the link of the research regarding this study for the children. Just read it and see if it's something for you. If you have any child that don't like fruits and vegetables, and according to the research, it helped those children to start eating fruits and vegetables in future, and then help them with their nutrition, help them not to be missing in schools. So it's all about nutrition, it's all about living healthy, it's all about staying fit. So I was having hormonal imbalance 3 years ago, and today I found a simple way to balance my hormone naturally, and now I'm teaching other women, showing them what I use to balance my hormone. Before, I used to be very tired, before I used to be very sick. Anything that flies, this Jennifer will catch it. My immune system used to be very, very down, and today I'm supporting my immune system. And all these things I've just showed you, they have clinical research that I would love to link the link on this video, so that you can be able to, first of all, make your research, read. You are going to be amazed. Where are all my doctors and all my nurses? Get ready, because you're going to love the research on this product I just showed you. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Jennifer. Mwah.